It's the first week of 2026 and I'm turning 40 in about 3 weeks. And I'm giving myself a gift that I should have given myself a long time ago: a zero debt balance. I've been making micro payments towards my debt on TikTok, and it's just been such an amazing journey and process, and the community over there is amazing. Today, I'm doing things a little bit different because I'm going to show you my 12-month roadmap to get this debt eliminated within 365 days. And here's the raw data, no fluff. It's really, really scary to put myself out there and be so transparent. But I am in over $50,000 in consumer debt between credit cards and loans. In 2026, we're done with financial shame, and this is a starting line for me. Every time I save on whether it's a coffee or just something that I would randomly buy myself because I deserve it, right? I'm going to make a payment towards my debt. And even when I make a small sale on my Lefty stationery shop, I'm going to put that towards paying off my debt, because I'm not waiting until the end of the month to make payments towards my debt. Wait until the end of the month. That's just how money disappears. I'm going to show you whether it's $5 or $20. I'm going to show you how making small payments make huge impact. Plus, it really changes the math with interest. I'm prioritizing the highest interest first because paying off debt, you really want to focus on the interest rate. Which debt has the highest and lowest interest rate? And based off of that, what is the amount? Because if it has a high interest rate on top of a high amount, you want to get that debt paid off as soon as possible. Entering a new decade in life really changes your perspective. I'm really over the haul culture. I'm ready to not have the stress of just not tackling the bills and not knowing is the bills are due regardless whether I want to face it or not. I'm this is 40 is definitely changing my perspective on life. I'm focusing on a luxury last and a garden that feeds me. And being debt free means that I own my time in my 40s. And if you're in your 30s and 40s and feel like you're behind, you're not. Let me reassure you, we are just starting. I will be posting a deep dive weekly. And I want you to comment below, what's your one big goal for 2026? Is it a credit card, student loan, home loan, second mortgage? I would love to know. Let's hold each other accountable. So until next time, this is not the end. This is just the beginning. You are not alone. We are going to face this together. We are going to be each other's accountability partners. And you got this. Even if it's $1 extra to your debt, it's $1 extra that you are conquering a goal. Know that, like I said, you're not alone. And small baby steps really do make a huge impact. So let's bring in this new year with knowing what we're going to do, how we're going to do it, and being confident about it. And I will say that we are still giving ourselves the luxury experience. So I want to warn you, what it may look like for others is totally different from what it looks like for me. I am huge on a reward system and still not stripping myself of the things that make me happy. So I do want to let you know, I do want to be honest about that. But let's be on this journey together. We are going to still do the things that we love and tackle this debt one debt at a time. Like, subscribe, share, and thank you so much for being a part of this journey with me.